condo is like a great book or movie. I just think it deserves an acclaimed review of some sort.
Yeah, who do we know that likes to do reviews?
Jeremy Casey!
Hey, Tom, how you doing, guys? What are you doing here?
It's the Euro Review Critic!
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm doing great.
You're perfect! Would you like to do a review for our brand new condo listing?
Of course I would.
That's great! Let's go and tell you about a few
Sure.
things. This condo is in the heart of it all, perfectly placed within walking distance to Umass, downtown, and all area amenities. It's meticulously maintained with pristine hardwood floors. First floor bedroom, attached garage, and first floor laundry help showcase this home as one of the most sought after units in the complex. This well-kept home features over 1,700 square feet that's filled with lots of natural light, 3 very spacious bedrooms, and 2 full baths, with 1 on each level for convenience. Lovely loft with built-ins make a perfect place to sit and read. End your day on the private patio as you enjoy the view of the grounds of this beautiful and well-manicured complex. Oh, Jeremy, what did you think? We're ready for your review.
So, this one is a gem. Okay, location off the charts. I was 5 seconds away. I got this. Okay.
So you're saying it's a 10.
10.
Condition.
Then, condition. The floors were beautiful. They were bright. There's tons of natural light that comes in. Fantastic. 10. And then, lastly, all the amenities. I mean, you go up the street 5 seconds, you're in downtown Amherst. You go down the street, you're at Umass. I mean, you've got everything around here. Perfect 10.
And amenities meaning first floor bedroom. That's a killer, right?
Oh my God, how did I even forget that? I mean, that is a win.
First floor bedroom and attached garage. Can't beat it in Amherst. Well, you guys heard it, 10s all the way around. So make sure you make your appointment to see 21 Amity Place in Amherst. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly.
I'm her husband, Tom.
And I'm Jeremy Casey, the gyro guy.
And until next time, happy house hunting.